MCA Musakue wa Mumbuni North Anthony Kyalo Kisoi Niwaithw'a Kithitu chawia umuthi Mbungeni ya Kaundi ya Masaku na Kwosa Mwanya wa MCA wa Mumbuni North ula Withiitwe wi Muthei Ilungu ya Mbee wa Myaka iliyu ndini weseso yina jila ya tongwe ni speaker wa Mbungeni no anakiusia Kisoi ni wailesa kana no kuthukuma NND ma Mumbuni kwa ngoya kwenda bate kuelekea ngaliko ona imwe na mo amemba ma Mbungeni no ya Masaku maimutho cha Mbungeni ya Masaku ni mo kilema woni meki bathukanio vala maende ya na umukulia asa kwa nyanya make na uwe weyulu muno ni kana kwa ilio thukumi wake Daniel Mongela no kutuelesya.
Thini wa chathiki cha Kuithwa Kithitu cha MCA wa Mumbuni North Anthony Kisoi.
I, Anthony Kyalo Kisoi, do swear in the name of the Almighty God.
Anthony Kisoi ni Mbee kwa kukilia Biblia na kuya Kithitu wona ni wakana ni wetikilite uthukuma NND ma Mumbuni.
That I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of County Assembly, member of Machakos County. That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my function in the said office to the best of my judgment.
Itino avou ni wonyoneni wake ulauswe ndeto cia kwatha NND ma Mumbuni mausio no thukumi mwailu ondumwe na kutunga muvea kwa alama na mukwatie mbau thini wa savali yake omantha kivila na kumutana na ume 11 alambe ni meyuminate omantha kivila ki.
I promise I will show up. I will speak up. I will fight for you. I will not embarrass you. I will not forget where I came from. I will not disappear. For wisdom, I pray for humility. I pray for courage. And I pray that Mumbuni North will never regret the trust it placed in me. My people, thank you for writing this chapter with me. Now let us write the rest together. God bless Mumbuni North. God bless Machakos County. God bless Kenya.
Onuwe vo itina oneni wake amemama Mbungeni wa kaunti ya Masaku ngalikoni ya alaingi no ngalikoni wa alanini ni maunya moni mekivothukanio.
So congratulations, Honorable Kisoi. Thank you for the Wiper Party in believing in the young people.
My Lord Chapter, let me promise you one thing. We didn't lose this one. We didn't lose. We've put our best foot ahead, and we are still going to put our best foot ahead. You know, you have always been a very organized party. What you have told us is what we want to go by. I've always liked you because even during the campaigns, I would meet him and we'll do a round of golf. And after that, each will part and go and campaign their own ways. In the afternoon, we'll come and meet again for a cup of tea, and that is a spirit that I would want the county to embrace.
Sema ya kwamba Mheshimiwa Speaker, mimi ndio nilikuwa naongoza ndio nilikuwa kinara pale wa chama tawala ya UDA, na mimi kama kinara wa UDA pale naweza kumpongeza sana, na tuseme ya kwamba kuna siku ingine ya kupigania, tutakushika mkono. Ile ingine usikumbali maneno ya hapa kwa mbunge ukiongea watu wote waweke mikono kwa meza.
Mheshimiwa Kisoi, you went to school. You have interacted with the people. No one should I tell people, show me your friends and I'll tell you your character. There's people seated here on this side are mainly your friend. You may want to look for a new friend from across the aisle, but you must first of all trust the friend you made before.
That what we achieved on the 27th of last month, God willing, we are going to achieve the same for the entire nation come 2027.
In this house, and only to remind you again that here in this house, it is where the politics are cooked. Wacha hii ilikuwa ya Mumbuni North. Hapa kila mtu ni number 1 na umejoin number 1s. Kwa hiyo it is you to decide which number 1 you are going to take, but you have no choice. You have to go with the Wiper Patriotic Front number 1.
Daniel Mongela, Mutongo TV, kuva Mbungeni ya kaunti ya Masaku.